Good morning. If you want to get rid of mosquitoes, watch the video until the end. Place this in your home, and within an hour, you'll never see flies or mosquitoes again. Heavy rains and warm temperatures can drive mosquitoes crazy. Did you know mosquitoes and flies are more active at temperatures above 80 degrees? With so many diseases spread by mosquitoes, it's essential to know how to protect yourself and your family from these annoying insects. After trying this recipe, mosquitoes and flies will simply disappear. That's why we want to share this trick with you. But first, tell us, which insects bother you the most in your home? In today's video, you'll learn how to make a natural recipe to get rid of mosquitoes and flies in your house. Although many consider them pesky visitors, mosquitoes play an important role in nature. So instead of killing them, you should think of alternatives to keep them away from your house or garden. Both mosquitoes and flies can be very unpleasant, especially on hot days and at bedtime. Here are the ingredients for a recipe you can use to keep them away from your home permanently. Vinegar has a smell that is unpleasant to mosquitoes and flies, so it's recommended to repel these insects. Bay leaves, on the other hand, are rich in eugenol, a substance with insecticidal properties. Eugenol is a powerful antiseptic and bactericide that keeps mosquitoes and flies away. Lemon balm has a specific scent that deters insects and prevents them from reproducing. Amazing, isn't it? Now, write down the ingredients for the recipe. 2 tablespoons of bay leaves, 2 lemon balm leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, and 1 cup of water. How to make it? Put the water in a pot, add the bay leaves and lemon balm leaves, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Let the water cool down afterward. Once cooled, add the white vinegar and mix well. Pour the solution into a spray bottle, and it's ready to use. Since the smell is like bay leaves, you can use this mixture to clean the dining table, the floor, around the blender, walls, sofa, and near the windows. This will keep mosquitoes away from your house, because these insects dislike the smell of bay leaves. Try it out and share your experience with us. If the video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next content and leave comments.